Hello, do you hear that thunder?
Yeah. Cool.
Yeah, something's happening. Cool, okay, it's Monday. I sort of feel like singing Back in the Saddle again. Back to work, kind of cool. Kevin's working on this particular blue bike, which is a different blue bike than the one that was in my shop. We've got the whole clutch and primary out right now. We're going to take this cover off, take a look at the front sprocket and the oil seal behind it, probably. I'm not sure. I think we might be looking for an oil leak. I'll have to talk to him when he comes back. Anyway, we hope to get this whole new clutch assembly. We have a new basket, all new steel and fiber plates, and we've got a new tool. And that's where we are. So here's the whole unit sitting there. And that's what we're doing. Keep you apprised. All right, we're getting this primary put back together. We put a new basket on. The hub is in pretty good shape. I did a little filing on it just to clean it up. But we decided that we'd make a new shop rule, and that rule is going to be when we replace a basket, we will replace the hub. You know, all new. Whenever we're doing plates, we always do steel and fiber, and the basket if it's worn and notched. And now we've decided to add to that rule. Let's go ahead and change out the hub also. So we've got it in place. Kevin's putting in the key for the alternator. We've got the clutch assembly in place. We're going to bolt everything down now. All right, we've reached a stopping point. We put the old hub in the new basket and pressed it down and give it a little spin there. Give it a spin. See, it turns easy there, okay? But as soon as we tighten it down with the center bolt, it binds up. And what we're finding is if you hold this, let's see, hold that and go around here, and right about there, it's binding up. It's not spinning. Okay? And what we determined with it, it's really tight. When you tighten that down, see now it's going easy? And there it goes again. Okay, what we found by using a feeler gauge is this gap behind here where you have a brass or copper thrust washer. This plate here is bent. We put a little file across it, and you can see this has a high spot right here. So this hub is bent. So we're going to order a whole new hub assembly with the back assembly and a new thrust washer, and follow the new rule that we talked about before, which is basically when we replace one part, we're going to replace them all. More expensive, but time is very expensive too. So that's where we are. We're going to order new hub, center hub, and thrust washer, and so we're done for the day. All right, little follow-up to the last video that you just saw, the segment. I've got the clutch assembly down at my place, and I'm going to use the press to press the hub out of the basket. And I just want to show you that when we, let's see, I'm going to put this in the tripod now. As soon as I figure out how, okay. Now watch it spin and hang up. Now what appears to be slight hang up turns into a lockup when we put the center bolt on the transmission shaft. So this thing just pretty much turns into really hard, which could be the ultimate explanation why the bike had such shifting problems the last time. Kevin did the test ride. So we're going to replace the hub, and the thrust washer, and see if that doesn't fix things up. I've never seen a clutch do this, but I'm pretty sure this is bent. And when everything lines up, it just gets tight. So that's where we are. Kevin's going to order the parts.